If you're a framer or want to be a framer, there's one cut that you're going to do thousands of times on every job. You're going to do this cut more than any other cut, and that is cutting dimensional lumber to length. And you want a quick, accurate way to do it, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Cutting dimensional lumber to length doesn't take a lot of fancy tools. This is the tool you're going to see every framer use. You're going to pull your tape and you're going to make your mark. Once you have that mark, you want to make a square cut. To get as accurate a cut as possible and to move quickly is to use a tool that every carpenter has, a speed square. And all I have to do then is put the saw blade right on the mark, slide the speed square right up to the edge of the saw. Perfectly square cut every time. This will work on 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x8s, 2x10s, and even 2x12s. I don't have any 2x12 to show you, so I ripped a piece of plywood at 11.5, which is the net dimension of a 2x12. Now this is actually going to be harder to cut because typically I'm going to be cutting a much longer board and it's easier to hold it up. But I can still do it with this. Again, I can just make my mark wherever I want to cut, put my saw on that mark, pull out my speed square, and have a perfectly square cut every time. Hey, if you like these tips, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you know when I drop a new video, and if you want to support the channel, you can use my Amazon link in the description of the video down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.